Hi, welcome back to Kinlock's Corner. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's a very exciting day in the Kinlock household.
Big day.
Big day. We got our chimney pipes installed on our wood stove that you saw us make a couple weeks back, but we didn't make the stove, but you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So we decided to outsource this one because as much as we feel very confident in carpentry and building things, making a hole in our roof was something we had no experience in, and as it turned out, I think watching them, I feel that we might have been able to do it, but oh my gosh, like they did it with such ease. They were so professional, well worth the installation.
Yeah.
So
big shout out to Kyle and Brad.
Kyle and Brad,
Yeah.
thumbs up.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, you guys are awesome. They came to us from the Fireplace and More store out of Joplin. If anybody's interested, I highly recommend them. They were incredibly professional, cleaned up, did a very, very sharp job with everything they did. So really impressed with them.
Yeah, pretty happy with it for sure.
And now the beauty is, if the grid goes down or there's a power outage or whatever, we have heat this winter. And I'm super happy about that. We're actually looking at putting a wood stove in this room we're in right now, in the main part of the house. That one in the bedroom was an addition, so it won't heat much more than just that bedroom. But we're pretty stoked. We're really, really happy about it.
They come out really well, so we hope you enjoy this video.
Yeah, come along and see how they did and watch the whole process from beginning to end.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe. See ya.
See you later.